Okay, here's my front spoiler from other side. I know a lot of people was interested how I make one, so here we go. That's what it looks like from inside. This is a piece right here I was talking about. I added up to regular spooler right here, and this is mine right there. So what I've been using aluminum corners all the way around for this frame, and those are support also to make this frame stronger. This car is too low, 4 inches off the ground, and sometimes I go somewhere over the hill, I scratch it, which is no big deal. It's strong enough, and it's okay. So why is aluminum? Because it's easy to bend, easy to cut, and easy to work with aluminum. And also it's not rusted up. And to make edges a little bit smoother, I use the pipe, like um a small pipe right here goes all the way around, and the bend at the middle, and then a small screen also. You can see a little bit right there, and I use a patch right here to patch it up from inside and outside to make this the frame um, strong enough. So and I have to keep this air catcher for the engine bay low as I can, because if I don't, this car when I drive it won't catch in the air, because the front spoiler is on the way. It's actually blocking the air go through. So this piece right here very low, like inch off the ground. Right there you can see it's like 1 inch. But I scratch this a lot, but it's not big deal for me because it's all the way under and nobody see it anyway. So here we go, guys. I hope you enjoy the video, and here now you know how I make my front spooler, and let me show you from outside again. So here's what it looks like from outside. Okay, and those tools that I was talking about. It's not a good idea to use screws, because you have to tie with small knots. But what I use those things here. It's just example. It's just I use a little bit longer ones, and also aluminum or stainless steel. I think stainless steel are better because it tightens stronger. So that's what I use to support my front spoiler.